Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use brake hold feature in your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, in order to be able to use this option, if it's available on the car that you have, because depending on which options you have in your car when you buy it, you will have or not have this option. In my case, I do have it. So if you have this option, it will be just right here next to the brake button, the parking brake button. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look. As you can see guys, here is the hold button. So in order to activate it, just give it a click, and then you will see a message right here. And if you want to reactivate it or deactivate it, just give it a click again, and then it will be deactivated. In order to use this option, you need to be already holding your brake, and just give it a click right here, and then you can let go your brake, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.